Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a collage on the Instagram. So if you want to make a collage of your photos on the Instagram, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram mobile application and you have to click on the your story from the left top. Go to the picture. Once you will do it, now you have to click on this icon, click on it, and from here you have to select the layout. So different frames are available, select according to your choice. Once you will do it, now click a picture one by one each frame. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.